So go on the track Saturday?
Hopefully if that thing out there on the engine stand is in my car and running, then yes. If we wanted to, it'd be running by Wednesday, but no. Oh. Check on my engine, then the dyno. Yeah. What's a decent amount, huh?
It actually hits on the other side too.
Let's see that. I mean, this is with no gasket though.
Yeah. Doesn't touch me.
Huh?
You're just getting it.
Yeah. Don't look at what we're doing. It's custom shit.
Alright, let's go down another B.
Okay. Let's go.
Alright. Good work, Brad. Keep it up.
Alright. Wednesday we're going to track with a bunch of other radial cars. Saturday, I mean.
This car?
This. Saturday, not Wednesday.
Saturday lead or Saturday you?
Well, I mean, you can come if you want, but I'm going.
I didn't know if you were like needing me.
Probably. Probably. Mark's car too. We did an aerate air intake, upper pulley, and cat deletes. That's it. .72 horsepower and 76 foot-pounds of torque. So far.
Not bad.
Not bad for an air intake, a pulley, and cat delete. It'll work.
Not too bad over stock.
Not bad. Good run.
See how strong it is.
It fucking ain't going nowhere.
It's not going anywhere.
Things up, I put them down.
Alright, well then Monday it is for that thing. It's pretty good. Yeah. Pretty close to the back. Yeah. Can I stuff that fucker up there?
Yeah. You have to relief it and then fold it across here.
You're gonna try and bolt it to this, so like a thing just on the bottom or something?
I haven't figured that out yet. I might put a thing on the side.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to bolt through this way because then fluid can go through the bolt hole.
Yeah, no,
you know what I mean?
Yeah, correct.
I might make a tab that comes up and mounts onto this other mount right here. So from there to
So you could weld a tab onto this one and then bolt that.
Where's my lollipop?
I don't know, I got it at the bank like for 4 hours ago and forgot I had it in my pocket. So now I'm eating it.
So you're going to tell me it lasted that long?
Yeah, 4 fucking hours.
It's impressive. It's
I'm apparently not very good if I've been sucking on it for 4 hours. Bit's gonna go 190.
That's purdy.
Just kidding, it's not going 190, but I might go 185.
Yeah.
Pop-ups.
I knew you'd appreciate that.
Yeah. Some fucking pop-up pistons in this thing. Yep. I was wondering if he was going to block off all the oil holes and shit. He did. Alright, yeah, it's done for this. Ready to go 750.